Good morning, Ingram Leaders. Happy Monday. It is Monday, August the 30th, 2021. I want to congratulate all of you on an awesome first week last week. We were so proud of how hard you worked and how well you transitioned into the new school year. I hope that that is a sign of amazing things to come throughout the entire year. I do want to remind everyone of a few rules and expectations when it comes to certain things around the building. The first one is when it comes to safety. We have to make sure that every single day when we are getting our school materials ready that we also have our mask with us. We need to make sure that you bring a mask that fits you well to school every single day, and that while you are here in the building, you always keep your nose and your mouth covered with your mask. It's also very important that you always remember we are socially distancing and keeping ourselves a safe distance from our classmates and from adults throughout the building. I want to remind you that you can bring a water bottle. That helps us help you so that you can fill up your water bottle and have it with you throughout the day. So please be sure that you keep a good distance from one another and that you also wear your mask. I also want to remind you that if you ever feel sick or have symptoms of illness, or someone in your home is sick or being tested for COVID, that you not come to school, and that your parent communicates that to the classroom teacher, to myself, to Miss Pierre, or to the school nurse, so that we can give you guidance on to whether or not you need to come to school. I also want to remind you of our hallway expectations. Anytime you are traveling in the hallway, it's extremely important that you are nice and quiet. You should not be talking to one another because we have lots of learning going on throughout the building, so it's extremely important that you are silent. We also stay in straight lines, one behind the other, and we're always facing the front with our hands to our sides and to ourselves. Whenever we go into the restroom, it's extremely important that we also remember that we're not talking, that we aren't playing, we aren't putting our hands on one another, that we're going into the restroom, using the restroom, then washing our hands for at least 20 seconds before we leave the restroom. And that if you see messes in there, you let an adult know if it's something you can't clean up. But if it's paper towels, you can get a clean paper towel, pick it up, put it in the trash can, because we want to keep our school looking nice. So please do your part to make that happen. Please also remember that your teachers continue to go over expectations for arrival, dismissal, for times throughout the day, and we expect you to follow those rules and expectations, and we will continue to go over those reminders in the weeks ahead. At this time, I would like to recognize some students who received shout outs, some students and staff that received shout outs from last week. So the first one is going to Ms. Edwards, Ms. West, and Ms. Keynes. Ms. Stone is shouting them out because they have gone above and beyond, welcoming her, answering all of her questions, and telling her what to do as a kindergarten TA. She is blessed to be here at Ingram and especially part of the kindergarten family. We are blessed to have you, Miss Stone. Miss Ellis is shouting out Julius for always being eager to learn and participating in class. Awesome. Miss Brower is shouting out Hayden. Hayden makes sure that all the other walkers to West are accounted for before heading up to Wesley. Friday afternoon, she had to do a little extra walking to find out that one of her group had been picked up early and two others were car riders that day. She went above and beyond to make sure everyone was accounted for. Way to go, Hayden. Great job. Miss Mitchell is shouting out Noah N., Luke D., and Tavion M. for helping others and kindly reminding classmates of routines and expectations. Great job. Miss Mitchell is also shouting out Isabella C. in 5th grade for seeing a water spill on the floor and cleaning it up without being asked. That act of kindness prevented someone from slipping and getting hurt. Thank you. Great job. Miss Robertson is shouting out 18 of her math students for improving their multiplication scores from Monday to Friday. I love that, when you set a goal and you work hard to reach your goal. And Miss Robertson is also shouting out 16 of Miss Francis's math students for improving their multiplication scores from Monday to Friday. So already lots of learning, lots of acts of kindness, lots of great things happening here at Ingram. So I hope that this week is an awesome second week for all of you. Don't forget, next Monday is Labor Day, so there is no school, but we have 5 days this week to make great things happen and to always work hard to unleash our potential. Have a great day.